Okay, kindergarten. I wanted to turn the lights off so you could see this a little bit better. I'm going to back it up, okay? So now you can kind of see the shadow. So I am going to fold this again, okay? So I'm taking the sides and I'm folding them so they touch right in the middle, okay? So here's one flap, here's the other flap, and then I'm going to push them down on the sides. I'm going to take this top part. Okay, we can see that a little bit better now. I'm going to fold it down just so it's nice and flat. When you have those, you could glue them, put a little bit of glue on the back. Okay. And then just glue them down. Count in your head or out loud. Count to like 10, 15. Make sure that you get a nice, good connection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. That's how everybody just did it, I guarantee you. Okay, now we have some drawing to do. The first thing we are going to draw on our owl is going to be our owl's eyes. Owls have very big eyes. Sometimes they look so big, but they're really not. They're just that way to scare away predators. That's other animals. So we have a real eye inside this other shape. Kind of looks like a donut or a bagel. Mr. Thompson's hungry. I'm going to draw some lines in here just so we can color it different colors. So I'll draw the lines in this one the same way, but in a different order. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line that comes down. I'm going to have a line that goes across. Kind of looks like a lifesaver. And then I'm going to make like an X almost. So I have like a T, and now I'm putting in an X. And on yours, you can see it. There's almost like a natural shape for our owl's beak. It's like this triangle shape right here. Okay. Now let's add some bird feathers. Don't forget how we did those before. The famous, now infamous Thompson triple U. Remember, we have a regular U, we have a double U, and we have a Thompson triple U. I'm going to put these just kind of all over. In first grade, we're going to learn a little different technique of drawing bird feathers. Now we have this middle part, our owl's belly, and I'm going to just draw lines that go straight across. Okay. So we have our belly, we have our wings, we have our owl's face, and then we have our owl's forehead. And I'm going to put like a combination of the two. I'm going to put some wavy lines. Kind of looks like he has eyebrows. Okay, so maybe I'm going to go through and just retrace that line. Even though we could see it better at home, and you could see the difference between the wings and the belly, I just want to trace it just so you can see it a little bit better. Maybe I'll do the top too. You don't have to do this. Yeah, now we can see these lines. Cool. That's a good looking owl. Next week, we'll come back and we'll work on our coloring portion of it. But if you get excited and you want to finish coloring in your owl today, that's okay too. If I were to color this in today, I would make all these little parts on the eyes different colors. I'd make these stripes on the belly different colors. What's a good color that we should use for our bird's beak? I'm thinking orange or a yellow. Maybe I'd use brown or a tan for the feathers. We'll play around with it. Have fun. Can't wait to see what these look like when you're all done. Have a fun time.